All right, let's set up a weekly reminder series that you can send out to your students when they buy your program. So the very first thing that we want to do is set up a brand new email campaign, right? So there's a couple of ways we're going to do this. And I'm going to show you two different ways that I send out reminders or to keep people in momentum and that kind of stuff, right? So you type in, go into a new email campaign. We're going to do an email broadcast sequence, right? So we'll call this, I don't know, call this course reminder. Um, the course and whatever it is here, and we're going to go day one. So this is where you're going to time out, right? Whatever you want them to do. So if it is a weekly, dripped out course, let's say you want to think this out. So this is going to be sent one day after someone subscribes, which means we're going to subscribe somebody to this sequence after they buy. So that's the first thing. So we got to think, okay, how many days do we want them to, do we want this to wait? And it's usually going to be 8 days, right? That'll be, I think, on the next Monday, if not the Tuesday. My math is right. And whatever you want this to be. So, keep going. Keep going. You're on the, oops, whatever. Let's call this that subject. Title. Okay. Same thing. Keep going. You're on the right track. Da 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 da. And here and, um, you know, go to go log and continue to whatever, right? And then you can have your login right here. And you're going to put a link. Login to my course, right? And you're going to put the Kajabi course URL, which I forget what it is. I think it's, I don't know what, I can't remember right now what it is, but just go into members, login.com type of thing, right? .com, and would put this as new, whatever, and that would be it, right? So whatever that login is, I forget what it is right now as I'm recording this, but that would be it. And then if you want whatever you want to put after that, it's okay. Okay, that's how you set up the email. So we're going to save that, and then you just do this again for as many emails or reminders that you want to do. Okay, so you add in another one, right? Same thing. It would be like this, and that would be probably day 16 if you're going to do it weekly. Okay. Just call this email 2 and the same thing. How was lesson 2? Whatever. Okay. Lesson 2 is in the books. What did you think? Let's keep going. Lesson 3, which teaches how to, and then same thing. Log in to my course. It's a painful watching me type this, right? Okay, so then you have that same thing. You put the login there, right? That is the course reminder emails. I don't have to keep on doing this, and you'll separate these out however long you want them to go and the intervals, right? So then it's pretty simple. So we've got the campaign, and let's go into sales. This is my partner thing, so there's really nothing going on. It gives me an example to show people. So let's go with the mini course offer. Okay, so let's just open this guy. Okay, so you'll see here. Let's forget this warning because this is again my partner account, my sample account. So when people buy this, then what's going to happen is I'm just going to add an automation right down here. When the offer is purchased, then I want them to where are you? There it is. Subscribe to an email sequence, and I want to get to course reminder. It was right in front of me. And that's it, right? So when they buy this, it's automatically going to put them into this, and it's going to wait those 8 days. And that is really it. It's that simple to do this kind of automations and reminders of how you want to do them. Okay, so that's one way. And the next way is I want to show you on a actual product what I do. So let's go to a product. Hopefully I've got a sample product here. Yeah, okay, cool, the mini course. So the mini course we go into, and let's say that on lesson 2, I want to send them a cool email, right? So then an automation, see here? You can go here and you say, where is it? Right here. Okay, when post is completed, right? Send an email to the person, and then what I do is I just type it in here, like hello, or I say, hey, great, great job. You finished lesson 2 or whatever it was about the why. Here's what we learned, and da 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 da, right? And it sends it to that person. Isn't that cool? So this is how when people press complete, like I just go, something like, hey, notice that you checked out lesson 2. What did you think? And can I get your thoughts on that? Or keep going. Lesson 3's next, whatever, right? And I don't do it all the time on all of them, but it's just a really cool reminder, and it just kind of just keeps them going. And it's like, hey, this person like really cares about me, and it's just another amplification of you treating and serving your customers after they buy. All right. So that is the main 2 ways that I use the automations. If there's something that you need in more detail or something that I didn't cover, just go into my Facebook group, post it in there, tell me that you're inside the Kajabi automation tips and all that, and I will either answer your question or maybe shoot another video for you. Okay? Hopefully this helped you out, and I will see you in another video.